Welcome to the AdExpert Podcast.
Hello?
Today we're doing a deep dive, really getting into something critical for, well, pretty much every business now. How to really make a mark online and specifically boost your local impact using smart advertising and SEO.
That's exactly right. And today, our mission is, it's more than just listing tools. We're going to unpack the actual strategies, the things that get businesses noticed, where it matters most, right in their local areas, driving actual customers to the door.
Right.
So, yeah, the source material might be called Top SEO Tools Every Business Owner Should Know About, but we're focusing on the how local Google Ads and good SEO work together.
Think of this as the essential game plan, maybe. Turning clicks into real foot traffic and sales for, brick-and-mortar businesses. And for this deep dive, we're tapping into the know-how of AdExpert. They're based in Los Angeles, online marketing, web development, and they've got a solid decade under their belt focusing specifically on local markets and boosting conversions.
Yeah, and their approach is really about results and building relationships. They look at the whole picture. Google Ads, SEO, both website and local SEO, social media, web dev, all tailored to get local businesses seen.
They cover a lot of ground in LA too, right? Like Woodland Hills, Calabasas, Burbank.
Oh yeah, all over. Woodland Hills, Calabasas, Winnetka, Tarzana, Encino, Sherman Oaks, West Hills, Reseda, Burbank, Van Nuys, and the surrounding spots. That experience in different local LA markets gives them, I think, a pretty unique insight into what actually moves the needle. They use real-time data, AI solutions. It's quite comprehensive.
Okay, so let's start with the big one. The power of local Google Ads. It feels like even if you have a physical shop, you just have to be visible online now.
Absolutely critical. It's not optional anymore. You need to pull those potential customers into your actual location.
And these ads are designed for that, especially when you pair them with good landing pages.
Exactly. The beauty of local Google Ads is how they filter for that immediate local intent. We're talking ads for people searching nearby, or using terms like near me or in Woodland Hills.
Right, so they're probably ready to buy or visit.
Very often, yes.
Yeah.
That's the key difference. It's about meeting that demand right when and where it exists. Think about someone searching emergency plumber Calabasas during a downpour. Boom. That's the moment these ads connect a need with a solution locally.
So it's not just one type of ad, it's a few different things.
Right. It's a suite. You've got Google local service ads, which are great for service businesses, ads appearing directly on Google Maps, then your standard text search ads, but with local extensions showing your address or phone number, and dedicated local services ads too.
And they show up prominently.
Usually right at the top. Prime digital real estate. It gives you a massive advantage straight away.
Okay, so the benefits seem obvious, but let's break them down. What are the key advantages here?
Well, first off, increased store visits. That's a big one.
Yeah.
You get much better visibility in Google Maps and on mobile search results, which is huge since so many local searches happen on phones.
Right.
You can also reach Gmail users specifically.
Yeah.
And critically, the lead quality tends to be higher because people are actively searching for your service now.
And you control the budget.
Absolutely. You have control over your ad spend, which is always important. And the data actually is pretty compelling. Something like over 75% of people searching locally on a smartphone visit a related business within a day.
Wow, that high.
Yeah. And a significant chunk of those searches, maybe close to 30%, lead to a purchase. Local ads tap right into that immediate intent.
Okay, powerful stuff. So we get why local ads are important, but making them truly effective, that requires more, right? That's where the SEO strategies, the tools and action come in. Where do we start with leveraging SEO?
It always starts with understanding the searcher. So organizing your searches. That means really digging into keyword research, creating targeted lists based on what your audience actually searches for and why they're searching their intent. Are they looking to buy? Find info. Find you. That's foundational.
And it's not just about your own keywords, is it? You need to look outwards, too.
Definitely. Competitor analysis is crucial. You need to be regularly checking what your competitors' top pages are doing. Where are the gaps? What keywords are they ranking for that you're missing? It spots opportunities.
Okay, so know your audience, know your competition. What about your own house, your website?
Exactly. Keeping your own site healthy is vital. That means doing routine SEO audits. Think of it like a health checkup for your site.
To catch problems early.
Precisely. Find and fix technical issues before they drag down your performance. It's proactive.
And what about links coming into your site? Backlinks.
Good point. You have to manage your backlink profile, monitor the quality of links pointing to you, and crucially, disavow any toxic, spammy, or just plain irrelevant links.
Get rid of the bad stuff.
Yeah, they can actively hurt your rankings if you don't.
Hmm.
It's like, as you said, weeding the digital garden.
Makes sense. And the final piece of this SEO foundation.
Content optimization. The digital world changes constantly. Search engines evolve. So your content can't be static.
Keep it fresh.
Exactly. Keep updating blog posts, page titles, meta descriptions. Stay relevant, stay competitive.
Okay, solid SEO foundation laid. Now let's get practical. Setting up the actual local Google Ads campaign, step by step. What's job number one?
Before you even think about ad copy, you absolutely must clearly define your service area and your business type within Google Ads.
Why is that so critical first?
Because that tells Google where and when your ads are relevant. It's the basic targeting, and this ties directly into your Google business profile. That profile needs to be 100% accurate and up to date. Google pulls info from there for your ads, and it's key for eligibility.
Got it. Profile first, then define the area and ads. What's next? Structuring the account.
Yes, optimizing your Google Ads account structure. Don't just lump everything together. Segment your account, usually by location or by product service category.
Can you give an example, like that Austin plumber you mentioned earlier?
Sure. So for the Austin plumber, instead of one big plumbing ad group, you'd break it down. You might have one ad group specifically for Austin emergency plumber, another for downtown Austin leak repair, maybe even a branded one like ABC Plumbing Austin Reviews.
Okay. Much more specific.
Exactly. This lets you write super targeted ad copy and use very specific keywords for each group. That improves relevance, which Google likes, and boosts your quality score.
And a better quality score means?
Potentially lower ad costs and better ad positions. It's really important.
Right. So structure is key for relevance. Now what about the ad itself, making it pop?
That's where ad assets, or extensions as they used to be called, come in. These are crucial for making your ads more noticeable and clickable, especially on mobile.
What kind of assets are we talking about?
You definitely want location extensions showing your address, linking to maps, call extensions so people can tap to call you directly.
Super important for local.
Absolutely. Then set link extensions to highlight specific services or pages like pipe repair or water heater installation. Structured snippets can list service types. And now, business name and logo assets for branding and trust. They add valuable info right in the ad.
Okay, this leads us to something you touched on earlier, the landing page. The article stressed not just sending ad clicks to the homepage. Why is that such a missed opportunity?
It really is. It's all about matching that specific user intent. Someone clicks an ad for, say, emergency roof repair in Tarzana. They have a very specific urgent need.
Right.
If you dump them on your generic homepage, they have to start searching again for roof repair info. It's inefficient, frustrating. Many will just leave.
So the landing page needs to answer that specific click.
Precisely. You need an SEO-optimized landing page built around those exact keywords and the message that got the click. It needs clear info, keyword-rich headings, trust signals like reviews or testimonials, and a really obvious call to action. Call now. Get a quote.
Makes total sense. You want the path from click to action to be as smooth as possible.
Exactly. Don't make them hunt for the information they just clicked for. Give it to them right away.
So what are the must-haves, the best practices for creating these SEO-friendly landing pages?
Okay, first, use your target keywords naturally in the copy and related terms too. Don't stuff, but be clear. Second, geo-targeted copy is vital.
Yeah.
Mention the specific city, maybe even neighborhood you serve. Serving Woodland Hills and Calabasas. That reinforces local relevance.
Okay.
Third, speed and mobile. Non-negotiable. Most local searches are mobile. Your page has to load fast and look great on a phone. A slow page is death for conversions.
Critical point. Anything else?
Yeah, use visual cues. A map showing your location, maybe a photo of your storefront if you have one, icons for services. These build trust visually and help orient the user quickly.
This really highlights how intertwined everything is. The real power seems to come when SEO and Google Ads aren't separate tasks, but are actually aligned, working together.
That's the synergy. They should absolutely inform each other.
How does that work in practice? Sharing insights.
Exactly. Keyword sharing is key. Your SEO tools show you what terms you're ranking for organically, what people are searching for to find you naturally. You can take those high-performing organic keywords and test them in your paid search campaigns.
Okay. And the other way around.
Yep. Your PPC data, which ad keywords are actually driving conversions, clicks, calls that can reveal golden opportunities for new organic content. Maybe an ad keyword is converting really well, but you don't have a dedicated page or blog post about it. that's a signal to create one.
So it becomes a feedback loop.
A really powerful one. And this directly supports that geo-specific content strategy we talked about.
Right, like the Brooklyn Tacos example. If you're running ads for best tacos in Brooklyn,
you should have blog posts or pages like Top 5 Taco Spots in Williamsburg or Why Our Brooklyn Tacos Rule. It builds authority, provides value, and helps you dominate those local searches organically and supports your paid campaigns.
And underpinning all of this is tracking, right? Knowing what's actually working.
Absolutely essential. You have to track conversions. That's where the rubber meets the road. Use Google Ads conversion tracking to measure everything important. Phone calls from ads, clicks on directions or maps, contact form submissions.
Even store visits.
Yes, if you have physical locations and users have location history enabled, you can track estimated store visits driven by your ads. This data tells you what's generating real business value, so you can optimize your bids, your ad copy, your landing pages, everything for better ROI.
Okay, so once you've got these core local campaigns running well, optimized, tracked, what's next? Any bonus strategies to expand reach?
Definitely. Once the foundation is solid, you can look at retargeting.
Reaching people who've already interacted.
Exactly. Use Gmail ads or display retargeting to get back in front of users who maybe clicked your ad but didn't convert. Remind them about your offer, maybe show a special promotion. Keep your business top of mind.
Smart. Any other ad formats worth exploring?
Yeah, once things are humming, you could test locally targeted display ads, visual ads on websites, or maybe YouTube ads like pre-rolls targeted to specific geo-demographics in your service area. And don't forget local service ads if they're available for your industry. They often have built-in lead generation features and offer that Google Guaranteed badge, which builds trust.
Lots of avenues to explore once the core is strong. So let's try and wrap this deep dive up. The main takeaway seems to be that winning with local Google ads isn't just about flipping a fudge.
Not at all. It's truly a holistic game. It's about aligning that paid strategy tightly with really solid SEO-driven content, having those optimized landing pages ready, and genuinely understanding your specific local market.
And when you get all those pieces working together correctly,
that's when you see the real results. More store visits, more actual local customers walking in or calling, and just much stronger visibility online where it counts.
So for everyone listening, maybe the next step is taking a hard look at their Google business profile. Is it perfect?
Definitely start there. Optimize that profile meticulously. Then think about those dedicated SEO landing pages for key services or locations. And build out your Google Ads campaign structure thoughtfully, reflecting your actual business and community.
And keep optimizing, right? It's never finished.
Never set it and forget it. Continuous testing and refinement based on data is absolutely key for staying ahead long term.
Okay, final thought then, looking ahead. We mentioned AdExpert uses AI and real-time data.
Yeah.
In this increasingly competitive digital space, how do you see things like AI and constantly updated data changing the game even more for local businesses? How might it revolutionize how they connect and really dominate their specific neighborhoods or cities?
That's the big question, isn't it? It's likely about even greater personalization and predictive targeting, maybe anticipating local needs before they're even searched for explicitly. It's an exciting and maybe a little daunting frontier for local marketing.